Hey guys, Josh from WCI here, and I wanted to give you my point of view on the modern fire officer and why I liked it so much. A relatively short book, so it's a very easy read, but I really encourage you to if you are in the leadership role. This is designed specifically for the firehouse, but has a lot of applicable points actually for leadership in any role. The point is we're living in a modern time, and we need to be fit to lead if you're in that position. And this helps you do that. Jared, the author, did a great job of explaining highlights and points that are easy to follow. It wasn't unnecessarily wordy. It wasn't confusing or over the place, and it wasn't a book of horror stories or how you can be more like him. It was just guidelines to help you be a better leader, help you plan for success, as he mentions. A great book from Jared Vermeulen. I'm not sure if this is his first book, but I'm looking forward to reading others of his. This is The Modern Fire Officer: Communicate, Motivate, and Lead. Really great points in here. I really appreciated the book, and I think you're going to like it too, especially if you're in the leadership position. But that's just my point of view.